ShopABot software is a revolutionary way to profit as an Amazon affiliate. It's the only Amazon store that is truly automated and comes with inbuilt traffic technology that is guaranteed and proven to generate sales. Step 1. Add Amazon details. Select your theme and your store is ready to take sales. Step 2. Import every single product for sale on Amazon. It's like your own Amazon. Step 3. Use our proprietary viral product search engine. Step 4. Instantly create viral landing pages for the proven viral products. Step 5. Your store is ready. Always updating and consistently building snowballing traffic. Your viral landing pages are 100% optimized to go viral, compelling your visitors to share to access perfectly tailored giveaways or win prizes you're offering. There's absolutely no need to import or update products. Your ShopABot store updates automatically, in real time, directly from Amazon. Cloud-based hosted stores or click to connect your own domain. Easy to customize, choose your focused niche, and let the viral traffic take over. Proven big sellers as they are about to go viral. 90-day Amazon affiliate cookie for a lot more sales. Here's exactly what you get with your ShopABot Pro system. Fully customize the look of your store with hundreds of extra templates. Build custom pages and use the inbuilt blog to generate extra free traffic. Automatically show local Amazon products in the visitor's own language. Run unlimited giveaways at the same time. Let your store and giveaways build you a profitable list on full autopilot. ShopABot system scam. We have thoroughly tested the ShopABot Pro software, and from our report it is a powerful product that really gives value to the clients, and we highly recommend buying it. We have also checked other trusted reviews on the net, and they are 98.5% encouraging, so we can safely recommend it and know that it is not a scam. Many clients have bought it and reporting that their results are very good and they are satisfied with the purchase. There are many scammy courses at the general niche that promise a lot but rarely deliver. This is not one of them. The ShopABot gets the job done and provides you with real value. You can try the agency license 100% risk-free. I'm so confident in the money-making ability of this license that I don't mind taking on all the risk myself. You can try this out for 30 full days. If, for any reason, you're not satisfied with your agency license, you can simply ask for a refund. Your investment is covered by my 30-day money-back guarantee. If you sell some stores during this 30-day period, I will even let you keep all the profit and continue to support your customers. Free of charge, you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain with this fantastic offer and guarantee. That said, if you plan on purchasing then asking for a refund, please don't order an agency license. This is a very limited offer, so if you are not 100% committed, then leave the license for other people who are and who will put it to good use. That said,